Hi, I'm Lily, and I'm the owner of Westside Farms. I'm going to give you a quick little tour of our farm. So, let's begin. Over here we have our two little poopers of the farm. This is Luke, and this is Gracie. They're our little watchdogs, they think. And then over here we have Rose and Ben. Rose is expecting a little baby. Yes. And here's the barn. There it is. And then up there, we have our little cat, Lulu. She's kind of the, barn kitty. And then we have our quarter horse right here. His name is Splash of Paint. And then we have our draft horse. Let's open up this little door. There she is. She's expecting a foal. Yes. Her sire is currently not at the farm right now. And then over in the mare and stallion pen, we have Ratina and Storm. They're expecting a little foal. And our two Arabians, who are expecting a foal, is Reggie and Kavana. We're very excited about that baby. Then we have our jumping course. That's Cunningham. He loves to jump. And then we have our indoor arena that all the boarders just love. They just say it's so wonderful and the footing is great. And then we have our little dressage mare, who's actually my mare, and she is expecting a foal, so we're gonna have to stop riding her. And that is the farm. Thank you for watching our video, and we will see you next time. Bye.